Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to apply for an Atlas reward credit card. All right, if you've been wondering how to apply for an Atlas reward credit card, this video is for you. It's gonna show you how to get that done. We're not gonna waste much time. Let's just get straight into the video. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is to go to the Atlas website, and then you're gonna click on apply now, and that's gonna start off the application process. Once that's open, you want to fill out the online application form with your personal and financial information, and then you're going to need to provide required documentation such as proof of income, as well as identification, and of course your employment verification documents. Once you provided all of that, you're just going to need to review and agree to the credit card terms and conditions, including of course its interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. Once you have all of that taken care of, just submit your application and wait for a decision. Now, if approved, you're going to need to review and sign the credit card agreement, and you're going to receive your new credit card. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for an Atlas reward credit card. Hope you guys liked the information. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys